Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing the long-awaited another Sanrio haul. I'm super excited to show you all of the things that I got this time, so if you're interested, then let's get started. I guess we can start off with all of the small mascot plushies that I got, and I'm so excited to show you. Sanrio Pureland, which is like a Sanrio amusement park, they had a release of small mascot plushies for the 30-year anniversary of Pureland. So I bought these about a month or two ago, and they came out with like all of the characters you can think of. Of course, not all of them, but like the most popular and not so popular characters were there. And I only got My Sweet Piano from the 30-year anniversary, and this one is the anniversary for My Melody. It's her 45th anniversary, so for her birthday. So it's kind of both like anniversary themed, so I thought I'd show them together. So this is how they look like. First, let's look at My Melody. So they had two designs for the 45th anniversary, but I decided to go with the cherry one. So she's wearing like a cherry print dress, which is so cute. And this is how it looks like in the back. So I really like this one. This was 1,500 yen. And the 30-year anniversary plushie, mascot plushie, is this one. So as I said, I only got My Sweet Piano, and she kind of looks a little bit funny in here. It's not the best look on her, like not the best face, if you know what I'm saying, but I still like it. She has this really cute flower on her head and like a little dress, and this is how she looks like in the back. And it also comes with this like heart-shaped chain and this Sanrio Pureland little golden piece, which I think is really cool. That's all that I got from Pureland, so these are my two new additions. Then another My Melody plushie that I want to show you is this, and this I actually got from Mercari, which was resold by just a person who had this previously. So the reason why I got this is because this My Melody really reminds me of like Alice, and you know how much I love Alice in Wonderland. So because she's all like blue with the dress and stuff, so this is how she looks like. I think she's so gorgeous with her blue and pink bows and the blue eyes. I think that's really unique and pretty. And this is how she looks like in the back. So I'm really happy that I got this. I'm not sure when this came out because it's definitely an older mascot, but I still really like it, and I'm glad to add it to my collection. Now another plushie, mascot plushie, is this, and this we actually my fiance bought this for me at Book Off. It's like a shop that resells stuff as well, and this is Pochacco. I also really like Pochacco, and I started to collect him as well here and then. So that's how he looks like, and he's super cute as well. I never really talk about Pochacco, but he's also one of my favorite Sanrio characters, so I got this. And that's pretty much all of the mascot plushies that I have for this time. I'm going to have another haul very soon with more stuff, and there's a really exciting collection that I will be showing you in the next Sanrio haul, so keep an eye on that. And for now, let's move on to the next thing. So I did get two headbands, the Sanrio Pureland headbands. So this is the first one. This is the My Melody one. I also got this from Mercari. Originally, when you get them new at Pureland or something, they will be about 2,000 yen. I got this for like 600, which was used. It was not worn before, maybe it was worn like once. I'm not too like iffy about those kinds of things. I don't know if you guys are, but this is how it looks like. This is kind of the stuff you wear when you go to Pureland, so of course I'm not going to be walking around like this on the streets, even though I could, especially in Japan. But yeah, this is how it looks like on. It's really cute. They also have this with a pink bow, but I got a blue bow this time. So next time I'm going Pureland, I will be wearing these. And another headband I got is this one, and this is super exciting because this is the headband that came out for the My Melody 30-year anniversary, I believe. 40-year anniversary. So this came out 5 years ago, because this, well, actually 2020 was the 45th anniversary, so this came out 6 years ago. And yeah, this is how it looks like. It's super pretty with all the flowers and stuff. So let me try it on. This is how it looks like. So again, this is something really cool to wear at Pureland and take pictures, or if you go to like a themed cafe or something, this would be also really cute. Of course, with my hair right now is just straight, so it doesn't really fit the theme, but like if you have ponytails or something, that would be really cute as well. So yeah, that's how it looks like. Let me show you this. This is an Ichigo Shinbun. I show them pretty much in all of my Sanrio hauls. So this is the January issue. It's a little bit folded, don't worry. But yeah, this is how it looks like. So January 18th is my Melody's birthday, so that's why this this newspaper this month is themed like that. And this is the collection I was talking about earlier. So the ballerina collection and my Melody birthday collection, I did manage to get all the things that I wanted. So in the next Sanrio haul, you will see all about that. So yeah, and this time the things you get with the newspaper are here in the back. So you can choose which postcard you want to get, and the one that I decided to go for is this. So this is also one of my favorite collections that like my Melody and Kuromi collection. So this comes with these postcards and also these postcards. I'm not going to take them out, but there's Kuromi and my Melody. So yeah, these are really, really cute. So this is how Ichigo Shinbun strawberry newspaper looks like in January. And I think I also every month I show you the poster. So this is the poster for this month. So it has piano, Kuromi, and my Melody. Super, super cute. So while we are at the printed kind of things, I got this. This is a 45th anniversary book with a blanket. So it's my Melody's 45th anniversary, as I said a million of times, and this is like a little book that has some information about the anime, about my Melody design and stuff like that. So it's super, super cute. She always wears these hoods, and that's like the theme of the cover. And the blanket also has a bunch of my Melody hoods. So this is like a blanket you would put on your lap or like on your feet when it's cold, which is what I do. And this is just a blanket with a bunch of different designs with my Melody hood. And here she is at the bottom with Flat Coon. So I really, really like this blanket. It's really, really soft. So I do use it all the time, and I'm really happy I got that. So yeah, this was like a set. It was 2,200 yen for this book and the blanket, which you might think is a little expensive, but for collection purposes, and plus this is very useful, so I don't have a problem with that. Now moving on, if you've seen my previous video, I did a vlog from Sendai because I went there on a trip, and I did pick up two items which are Sanrio related. And first I got this. This is a flat case set with a Sendai theme. So it looks like this. I'm not going to take them out, but as you can see, the characters there are like themed with Sendai. And in the back, over here in the back, I think you can see the designs that are on the rest of these four pouches. So these are just really small kind of Ziploc bags that are super, super cute, and I'm really happy to get these kind of souvenirs because not only it's from the place that I've been to, but it's also something that I really like. So I'm definitely going to use that. And another thing that I got with Sendai theme is this set of erasers, which are so cute. So you can see that there is a My Melody, Kuromi, Cinnamon, Kero Kero Pi, Hello Kitty, which is so cute. And these erasers are huge, so I don't know if I will ever run out of them, but this is also a good gift to give like just one eraser to somebody. Of course, I'm gonna keep it for myself, but yeah, so that's what I got from Sendai. I did buy two makeup items, and this is these eyeliners. So there's this brand of liners which is called Love Liner, and they have a new collaboration with Sanrio. So I picked up two eyeliners with Kuromi and my Melody. So I'm actually using my Melody eyeliner at the moment. So my Melody one is brown and Kuromi is black. And the design is just absolutely cutest thing ever. Plus these love liners are such a good quality, so they're really easy to use. Hopefully you can see the design. So it has my Melody and like the little girl there, and the eyeliner itself is super flexible, super easy to use, and it's like the brush kind, not like the felt tip, but the actual brush. And yeah, so this eyeliner is just the best thing ever, and I think this was 1,600 yen. First I got the brown one and I understood how much I love it, so then I picked up the black one. They also have Hello Kitty, cinnamon, and I think that's all. So yeah, these are my newest makeup additions. Next thing I picked up this time is this little trash can for your desk. I got this at Mercari as well. As you can see, this is my sweet piano design. I love this so much. As you know, I collect my sweet piano items, so this is my newest addition. And this is like the little trash can to put on your desk or on your makeup table. And yeah, that's what I'm currently using, and I love it so much. It fits perfectly in my room. So I love this so much, and this was only like 600 yen, I would say, from Mercari, so that was a great find. Next thing with my sweet piano that I picked up is this, and that's actually a badge or like a pin with my sweet piano as well. I was so happy to see this. Actually, my fiance found this at Don Quixote, and this was only 400 yen, so this is a super awesome find. Right now I'm also wearing my sweet piano shirt, but like just putting it on your like jacket or something, or on your bag would be really cool, or just decorating your home, your room with that is also a good idea. So yeah, I'm super excited to use this. Next thing I got at Don Quixote as well is this, and this is a fragrance for your room, for your car, or something like that, and it's the Samurai Woman. Samurai Woman is a brand that has like perfumes and body creams and stuff like that, and they also had a collaboration with Sanrio, and when I went to the store they only had this one left. Originally they also have like cinnamon and kuromi and stuff, but this was the only one with my melody, the only one out of everything left, so I picked up the last one, and this looks like this. So it's just the shape of my melody, and you're supposed to hang this whenever you want it to smell good. And this is the smell of, or the scent of, white rose, and I did smell the sample in the store and it smelled pretty nice, so I'm hoping to use this sometime soon. The next thing I picked up at Don Quixote, but this is also sold everywhere, is these socks, and these are actually with Wish Me Mel. I don't really have many things with Wish Me Mel, but I do really like her, so I like to wear Sanrio socks all the time. I have Cinnamon, My Melody, now I have Wish Me Mel. She is so adorable, and yeah, this was a great find. This is only 380 yen, so not so expensive, and these like things like this are always handy and always good to have. Next thing I want to show you is this, and this is a gift or like a freebie from Sanrio shop. So whenever you go to the Sanrio shop, I don't know how long this is gonna last, but like this month, last month, whenever you buy something for more than 500 yen, they give you this, a random date book. So there's a bunch of different designs and you get one randomly, and I got this one, which I was so happy to get. It's the date book with my melody and my sweet piano, of course, my favorite characters. So it's just a really tiny date book, but it's like an actual agenda planner kind of thing. And it only has monthly pages, but each page has different characters on it, and also it has all of the birthdays of the characters on there. Like for example, this is the January page, so you can see that the 18th is my Melody's birthday, and then the 14th is Chiffon's birthday. So it's really good to just kind of make little plans for yourself, and it's super tiny and thin, so it will fit in any kind of bag. So this is actually really great. Alright, we're almost done, and now let me show you a few things that I got from a 100 yen shop. And this I believe was from Can Do, and this is fun aluminum foil and the print is with my melody and piano-chan. So cute. I don't know how I'm gonna use this because this is just the cutest thing ever. I feel like it will be a waste to use this, but it's only 100 yen, so whenever you want to have like super cute foil for cooking or anything else for some crafts, you can get this at 100 yen shops. And last but not least for this haul is this. I got this at Daiso, and these are earplugs. So they're Hello Kitty design, so you get 2 earplugs and a little case for them. And unfortunately they didn't have my melody or cinnamon or something like that, so I got Hello Kitty. And it's the funny thing, I got this like in the beginning of December, and initially I wanted to have it for the trip, but I put this in the bag for the haul and I did not take it with me on the trip. But I did actually need earplugs because the hotel room was super noisy. So yeah, that was kind of a fail, but I will make sure to carry this with me next time I go on a trip. So yeah. that's what I picked up. And that's pretty much it. That's all of the things that I got this time. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and I will be uploading another haul very soon, so keep an eye on that. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. Bye bye.